My name's Dayle and this is Dayle's Addiction. Today I am bringing you another request video, and thanks for these requests. Keep them coming. They make life really easy in terms of creating content that you're actually interested in watching. And this one comes from Kim J. And Kim asks, I was surprised the Purple Rain Baguette came in at number 2 after watching my 10 favourite handbags video. How could you, Dayle? She says. By the way, could you kindly do a comparison between the mini Baguette from Fendi and the Gucci Mini, please? So absolutely I can, and here we go. I thought I'd start with the most recent purchase, which is my Gucci GG Marmont multicolour super mini bag, which is a mouthful, but if you're looking for it, that's what it's called, and I will link it in the comments below. So I purchased this bag, I'm going to say 3 weeks ago, maybe a month ago, and I most recently used it to pair with this gorgeous green leopard print dress. I was just feeling the Gucci vibes, and I wore it out for the first time as an evening bag, as a little clutch, and I loved it. So really unexpected purchase for me, and we're getting to know each other at the moment. But in terms of this review, I'm just going to show you a size comparison between the two bags, what fits inside, how they sit, and just a little bit of commentary around, you know, versatility, wearability, those sorts of things. Okay, so a quick run through of this bag. This bag has silver hardware. It is uncoated canvas, so it has kind of a fabric or a denim kind of feel, I guess you could call it. It has got lots of colours, so it's got the green, the red, the pink and the yellow. It has a detachable strap, dust bags inside. It has a detachable silver strap. It also has this little keychain thing, and you can use this to turn the bag into a belt bag. I would never wear it that way, but you can use it by attaching the little... One of the things that is painful about this bag is trying to get these little toggles out, because if you've got nails, they're very, very tight, obviously to stop it from falling off the bag, but it also makes it hard to detach them. So there is a bigger ring here that you can use to attach to this little keychain and turn it into a belt bag. You won't see me doing that today, but you can do it. Inside is just one big open pocket. It looks like a black leather edging and the back of the flap, but it's actually dark navy, so it is not black. And the GG print is also a navy, not a black, so that might be hard to see on camera, but just trust me, it's navy. So I'll do a quick overview of the Fendi Mini Baguette. This one is just one colour. This is lilac and lambskin, and it is, if you've never felt Fendi lambskin, it is super smushy. It looks like a structured bag, but it's not. They're very surprising to the touch. It has obviously a big gold buckle on the front, so gold hardware. This one has a detachable top handle, no back pocket, and it also has a detachable shoulder strap that you can wear crossbody, and it's got this little leather band on it to make it a little more comfortable over the shoulder. Inside, this one has been made, oh, there's a pair of earrings in there, oops, good to find those. Inside there are 3 slips for cards, otherwise it's a big empty space, and it also has a fabric lining which keeps the weight down. This one has a snap closure as well. This one is a bit easier to close when it's empty than the Gucci Super Mini, because its snap, you can see there, it's quite a large snap, and it's like Pochette Matisse vibes in terms of trying to close it when it's empty. It really needs things to be inside. So when we look at these two together, you can see that the Super Mini is super mini. It's a lot smaller, but it is a bit wider. So if I put the two together like this, you can see that the super mini is a tad wider, but it is also a tad shorter, just a little bit. In terms of the bottom, it's also a bit wider on the bottom of the bag. So it'll be interesting to see when we do what actually fits. They're pretty comparable in terms of wearability, but this one just sits a little bit shorter crossbody, but it's not a bad thing because it's such a pop. It actually is a good thing to draw attention to your waist rather than your hips, so I've been told. So in terms of what fits inside, I stuffed it full the other night when I used it, but here is what I'm going to pack inside. It is a mini bag, so let's be conscious of the fact it's a mini bag. I'm going to pack my Chanel card holder, and this one is full of cards, so you can see it's pretty wide. Now I'm going to use my iPhone 12 mini, which I'm enjoying at the moment. Pop that in. I've got some AirPods, a lipstick, and my car fob. Let's see if I can close it. So I can't close that. I might take out the AirPods, and just put in a lipstick and move so I have it arranged like that. Okay, so that's it. So card holder, iPhone 12 mini, car fob, and a lip. Now, just to show you a comparison with a plus size phone. When I purchased this, I had a plus size phone, so I have tried it with a plus size phone. And I think my plus size phone is actually a bit thinner than this one. So this is an iPhone 10 or an XS Max. Ooh. Okay. Yep, it fits. So it's along the back there, and I'll just close it up. Okay, that's closed, but it's at capacity. The other night I had a hotel key in it with a big kind of keychain on the back. I didn't even think to take it off. I probably should have done. Yeah, and a car key as well. It was packed full, but yeah, that's about it. So you can have a look there. So a lip, a phone, a car key, and a card holder. This one looks bigger, but looks can be deceiving because it's not very wide. It actually doesn't have a huge capacity. So I'm just going to pack into it what I had in the Gucci Mini. So card holder. I'll put the plus size phone in because obviously if that fits, you can fit a smaller phone. Lip. And key fob. So that's sitting in there pretty comfortably without using the card holders or the card slots on the back of the bag. I think I could actually put in my AirPods as well somewhere. Perhaps just on top. They can just balance on top there. And that one is going to close really easily. You can feel the weight because it's such a small bag. So this one will carry a bit more than the Gucci Mini Supreme, but just the AirPods. If you weren't so concerned about kind of stretching it out, you could put more, but these aren't meant to be practical. I mean, they are a bag. They're meant to carry things. Sometimes bags don't even carry things, but it's about the accessory rather than being able to carry everything that you need with you. So it is a minimalist kind of bag, and that's what I would use these bags for. So my overall observations around quality, I think that I think for what this was, this bag was about $1,400. The quality is fantastic. And it is such a fun little bag. I mean, if you weren't going to buy the multicolour, if you were just going to buy, you know, a plain colour or a block colour, I still think that this is great value for money. And if you love mini bags and you love silver hardware especially, then this is a great bag. But obviously Gucci have other super minis in leathers and those sorts of things. Capacity wise, it's minimal, but if you don't carry much, you can definitely downsize. I've shown you genuinely what is my minimum carry. Obviously, I have my 6-ring key holder, but I would just take my house key off and put it inside on that keychain rather than take my whole key holder with me. I think I've already done a review on this one. The leather on this bag is just stunning. The colour of this bag is stunning. In terms of overall quality, it's just a beautiful bag. I love that it has the option of the detachable top handle as well as the straps, and that you can use it as a little clutch as well. Both of them actually function really well as little clutch bags. I think that they are both absolutely different bags, and therefore they would probably appeal to different people. So in terms of recommending one, you can't. This is double the price of this one. This one is a multicoloured uncoated canvas bag with silver hardware. This is a block coloured, rare coloured lilac lambskin bag with gold hardware. They're from different houses, you know. So I'm not going to make a recommendation other than to say I am really enjoying them both, even though I've only had this one for a little while. In terms of what they can fit, you've just seen that. If you carry similar to me, or even less, then you will be very happy or satisfied with these bags. If you carry more, be warned, they really only for the minimalist. So just keep that in mind. So tell me, which is your favourite? Are you a mini bag fan? And if you are, what are your kind of essentials? What must a bag have to be able to carry in order for you to press add to cart and complete the purchase? If you've liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. I put out videos on Wednesdays and Sundays. So I'll see you next time. Bye.